I'm not Kylie Pitts, but you know I gotta start my day with some coffee. And I add my own little pumpkin spice and cold foam because I just like it better that way. I feel like at the coffee shop they add too much pumpkin spice. This is my trash mobile. I took my son to school. Then I came home and I made some beds. I did my makeup because I like to feel put together even though I don't work an actual like office job. I made myself some frijoles and eggs for breakfast. It was more like brunch because it was kind of late. This is hour 3 of my daughter being on her splash pad. It was 97 degrees. So by the time I took this little clip, I was done being outside. Then I had to do a little more cleaning up. My son's bathroom looked like I hadn't been clean in a month, even though I just cleaned it like 4 days ago. So I went ahead and gave that just a little touch up. It wasn't a deep clean. Wanted to get all the spit out of the sink. There was syrup and waffles debris all over the table. So I had to get that cleaned off, obviously. Then I had to vacuum my heart away. We have 2 long-haired cats and we wear shoes inside. We don't want to wear shoes inside, but all of our inside shoes end up being outside shoes and it's just a very vicious cycle. Went to the pickup line. This is where I do my studying to learn more Spanish because when I do speak Spanish, I sound like gente de cueva and I don't want to sound like that anymore. So I decided to just practice on my own. Then my son and I went to our favorite coffee shop to get a matcha. Came home, got those from Sam's Club. I will never do that again. They taste horrendous. And I just cleaned up the kitchen a little bit from the day. My husband wanted to watch football. The kids were running around. So while they all did that, I decided that I would do our weekly budget. And then after that, my husband was still watching football. The kids were in bed. So I decided, hey, I'm going to wash my ass. I'm going to drink my little Italian soda, snuggle with the kitties, and watch my favorite YouTuber.